Hello, my dear lovers. This is the English explanation and summary for the episode 3 of the series I Cannot Reach You. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yamato didn't realize that when his feelings for Kakeru changed from being friends, he wanted a chance to express his feelings to him as other people did to him. When they were eating, Kakeru asked Yamato if he could come again to play video games at his house. Yamato asked him to come the next day, but Kakeru said that at that time he is needed to take care of his little brother as his mom need to go shopping. There he met Akane. His mother understood the situation and left him alone. Mikoto was having lunch with Yamato. She said that she knows that he likes Kakeru. Kakeru apologized to her for not giving her that toy, but she said that it's okay as Kahu-chan gave it to her. While looking at that toy, he was confused as why didn't he give it to Akane and was thinking about Yamato. Yamato tries to convince Mikoto that Kakeru is just his friend. Mikoto asks him if he says the same thing to convince himself. She asks him to either let it go or confess it to Kakeru. He says that he can't be mean enough to impose his feelings on Kakeru, but was surprised to see Kakeru with Akane. Akane is a sweet girl, and Kakeru thinks that if it was earlier, then he would have fallen in love with her. Just then, Yamato dragged him out. Yamato asked him why he was with Akane when he said that he would be busy with his mom. His heart was filled with so many emotions, but he didn't know what to say or what to do. Akane met Kakeru's mom and told that Kakeru has gone somewhere. Yamato can't let Kakeru go away from him. Kakeru could sense a strong feeling and wanted to relax Yamato. But just then, Kakeru's mom came. She was surprised to see Yamato and told that they coincidentally also met Akane. Yamato was embarrassed and left in a hurry. At the school, because of low grades, Kakeru received an extra assignment, but this time Yamato left without helping him. Hosaka followed Yamato. He asked if Yamato likes Kakeru and says that to him it is quite obvious. Yamato tries to ignore him, but he was quite stubborn. He asks him to confess to Kakeru as maybe Kakeru is also confused. But Yamato can't risk his friendship by confessing. Somehow Hosaka can understand his helplessness. Kakeru was upset. Yamato wanted to tell him everything but was lacking courage. Akane messaged Kakeru but he's thinking about Yamato. Yamato is helpless as he is madly in love with Kakeru but can't confess. So guys, if you liked the video, please watch for the next episode, that is episode 4. Thank you.